my channel. So today I'm gonna make a Yaki Onigiri. So do you like a rice bowl onigiri? So onigiri are tasty enough just as they are, but they taste even better when the surface is grilled to crisp. In Japan, say Yaki Onigiri. This a bit annoying step takes onigiri to an even higher level of deliciousness. That's why I wanted to share this recipe. So, okay, let's get started.
So, these are the main ingredients for today. The grilled rice balls are as essential as meat at the Japanese barbecue, and it's very popular with men and women of all ages. So, first, prepare the cooked rice in a large bowl, and then add the miso to the soy sauce bowl and mix lightly. It doesn't matter if the miso doesn't dissolve all the way through. So you can also add the grated garlic instead of miso to make a savory rice balls. So once the miso has dissolved to some extent, mix into the cooked rice until it's evenly mixed. So normally the next step would be shape this rice into a triangle and bake it in a pan, but I often lose my shape when I bake them in a fry pan. So this time I bake the rice before shaping it into triangles. So next, pour 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil into a fry pan. So warm over medium heat and add the rice. So continue to cook for 3 minutes to get a slightly burned surface. And this is optional, but if you sprinkle potato starch or cornstarch on the surface and grill it, you can get the delicious burnt surface in a short time. The tip to making delicious grilled rice bowl is to slightly burn the surface exactly like this. So turn over and brown the other side as well. But it's difficult to turn them all over at once. So divide them into smaller portions and turn them over. So finally drizzle with melted butter to bring out more savory flavor. So and then lightly mix again. So now let's divide this into 3 pieces to make our rice balls onigiri. So wrap them in cling film and shape them. And this has been heated in the fry pan, so it's super hot. So please be careful not to burn yourself when shaping the rice balls. So shape the rest of the rice bowl in the same way. So delicious grilled rice balls, Yaki Onigiri are ready. So I gotta serve them wrapped in Perilla leaves because I like them. But you can use nori as well. So have a look. Looks so yum. The smell is amazing and you can enjoy both crispy and moist texture in the mouth at the same time. So hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe and thank you for watching. So see you in my next video. Bye!